Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Toyota Corolla. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You'll need a 14mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure you have about 4 quarts of 0W16 synthetic oil and a fresh oil filter. Always work on a level surface with a cool engine for safety and best results. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now let's get that old oil out. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Using your 14mm wrench, loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow the oil to drain completely. This usually takes several minutes. Once it's just a slow drip, you can reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter firmly until it's snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more. Now, slowly add approximately 4 quarts of fresh 0W16 synthetic oil into the engine's oil fill cap. Take your time to avoid spills. Finally, let's wrap things up. Start your engine and let it run for a minute or two, then shut it off. Check carefully for any leaks around the new oil filter and the drain plug. After a few minutes, pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and then check the oil level. It should be within the recommended range. Remember to dispose of your used oil responsibly. And hey, if you love diving into a good book, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.